Hello friends, welcome to the CloudBeak YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to migrate any IMAP emails to Zoho Workplace. So there are multiple email services providers that provides IMAP servers. Some of them are Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, Hotmail, or you can say like GoDaddy. So first we need to go to the mail.zoho.in. So we have already subscribed to the Zoho Mail and added our domain in it. So here simply go to the admin console. Here you can click on the users and add user that you want to move to Zoho Workplace. I have added this user already. You can add from here. Just click on add user, provide the name, username and password and click on the add button. So now we will try to migrate Gmail. So first we need to create an app password in Gmail because Google now requires app password to authenticate to third party applications. So here we need to go to the Gmail. So here click on your manage your Google account and search for app passwords here. So here you can see, just click on it. If you have two-step authentication disabled in Gmail, you will not get this option. So first you will need to register two-step authentication, then you can create an app password. So here we can provide any name like Zoho and create. So copy this password. Once you click on the done button, it will not be visible again. Now you need to enable the IMAP access also. So in the Gmail, click on the setting and click on see all settings. So here you can see the option for forwarding and pop/IMAP. So click on this. Make sure this option is enabled. If it is not enabled, then the data migration will not start. So choose this option and click on the save changes. So once you have made these changes, just go to the admin panel. So here you can see the option of the data migration. Click on it and just click on the start data migration. And here you can provide any name like Gmail to Zoho. And in the protocol, you need to select the IMAP. So here for Gmail, the IMAP server is this one and port is this. And you can simply add this one. In the settings you can choose all folders, you can exclude any folder. So we need to migrate every data, so we will remove this one. Here we are going to migrate all emails. You can also choose specific date range to migrate the data. So leave these options as it is and click on the add button. Simply here also click on the create button. So you can see the status is yet to start. So here we need to choose the users. So in the users we need to choose, it's our source email, and in the password we need to use the app password, not normal password. So just copy this password, paste here, and in the destination email address you need to choose the users that you have created in Zoho Workplace. So this one we have created, so choose this one and click on the add thing. So now you can select the user and click on the start migration. So here you can see the status, the migration is in progress. You can simply click on the user and you can see the status from here. So some emails have been failed. You can select here failed emails and you can see the status like email already present. So the total number of emails are migrated is 53, in which 50 are already present and 3 are migrated. So it will take some time depending on the data size. So with this method you can simply move from Gmail to Zoho Workplace. So thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.